Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the S-Class world premiere. It's great to have you with us, at least virtually. This is a very special occasion featuring a very special car. It's the icon of luxury sedans and the heart of our brand. This brand stands for products that truly trigger desire. And I'm convinced the new S-Class will live up to that ambition again. The most advanced Mercedes ever comes to life in our most advanced production site, our brand new Factory 56 here in Sindelfingen, Germany. And I'd love to show you around. It all starts with a mere body of raw metal that doesn't quite look like an S-Class yet. Still, it's moving autonomously, as you can see. Next level transport, however, is not the only great leap forward in this production facility. It's also a huge improvement in terms of sustainability. That matters to us, and it matters to our customers too. In our Factory 56, we're producing CO2 neutral from the very beginning. We're also achieving energy savings of about 25% compared to conventional production sites. We know S-Class drivers appreciate the serene feeling of obtaining the full carefree package. And that includes our best production ever. For decades, the magic moment in car manufacturing was when the chassis received its engine. Today, another magic moment is incredibly important. The marriage of the car's body and its brain. The all-new head unit with the next level MBUX system. Okay, this is a bit like visiting your kid's dorm room in college. It looks chaotic, but you trust they're gonna come out smarter in the end. And this S-Class is going to be the smartest Mercedes ever. For example, its voice assistant is now available to every individual seat, in the back and in the front. I mean, once there are actually seats. Via over-the-air updates and artificial intelligence, MBUX becomes even smarter over time. This is the first glimpse of what the new S-Class looks like on the inside when it rolls off the assembly line here in our Factory 56. We're almost finished now. Still, there's this final magic moment when the S-Class gets his soul, when this masterpiece is honored with the award that's reserved for the best of the best, the Mercedes Star. Now, this S-Class is ready to hit the road, and we're ready to get into all the details.
This area near Stuttgart is not simply where the S-Class is produced. It was also created and designed here at the home of Mercedes-Benz.